the savory flavors. At home today, we are going to make pullattu or atukulu biyam attu or flattened rice dosa, also known as sponge dosa or set dosa. I hope you would love the taste of it. For recipe in Telugu, please follow the link mentioned in description. There are so many kinds of dosas that are made regularly in most South Indian homes. Sponge dosa or set dosa is a popular breakfast served in most fast food or tiffin centers in South India. Pullattu or flattened rice dosa is amazingly soft, spongy, porous crepes or pancakes made with flattened rice and curd. There are folk songs written on this wonderful tiffin item. Sponge dosas are light and soft in the center with a slight crisp along the edges. The best part about this dosa is it stays soft even after long hours of making, which makes a perfect tiffin or lunchbox dish for both kids and adults. Its spongy soft texture is the reason why it is called sponge dosa as well. Let's see the ingredients. Curd 2.5 cups. Few people mix curd and water, but I use only curd. Flattened rice 1 cup. Rice 2 cups. Green chillies 18 to 20. Salt 3 teaspoons. Oil as required to roast dosa. Wash flattened rice, drain water completely and keep it aside. Wash rice, drain water completely and keep it aside. Take curd in a big bowl. Add washed flattened rice. Add washed rice. Mix well. Place a lid and let them soak for 4 hours. After 4 hours, take out lid and mix well. Add salt and green chillies. Grind them into a smooth thick paste without adding water. Mix once and the consistency of the batter will be like this. Cover with a lid and keep it aside for 4 hours to ferment. Fermentation time depends on climatic conditions. After 4 hours, let's see the batter. See how well fermented it is. See the airiness in the batter. Mix once. If you want to make dosa next day, then you can refrigerate this batter once it is fermented. Batter consistency will be like this. See the air bubbles in the batter. Place a flat pan or dosa tawa on stove at low flame. Add half teaspoon oil at the center of tawa. Spread oil on tawa with spatula. Batter consistency will be like this. Slowly pour 2 medium-sized ladles full of batter at the center of tawa. Do not spread batter. Cover with a lid and let it roast for 5 to 6 minutes at low flame. After 5-6 minutes, take out lid. The holes formed on it shows how spongy it is. Add 3 to 4 drops of oil on the upper surface of dosa. Spread oil with spatula. Flip it upside down with spatula. See how spongy it is. Few people roast this dosa one side only because sponginess will be reduced slightly if roasted on other side, but I prefer to roast both sides. Dosa looks like this. Flip the dosa other side. See how it is roasted on both sides. Take dosa in a plate. I am making another dosa just to show you the difference in sponginess in it when we use a lid which covers it completely, unlike glass lid which has a small hole. I suggest you to use a lid which covers it completely. See how spongy it is. See the texture of dosa. That's it. Tasty and mouth-watering pullattu or flattened rice dosa or sponge dosa is ready to eat. Serve them hot with any of your favorite chutney. So, we have seen how easy it is to make pullattu or atukulu biyyam attu or flattened rice dosa, also known as sponge dosa or set dosa at home. You try them once and let me know how it is in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, press like, share among your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting the Savory Flavors. Okay, bye for now. See you soon with another interesting dish.